Welcome, today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. In my case, the Google Feeds are activated right now, and just to turn it off, I will show you how you can do that. Just swipe here with your finger to the right side, and here you'll see the icon. Tap on the icon and go to the settings. Now just tap here to the general, and you'll see here the discover switcher. Just to turn off the Google Feeds, and just tap once on the switcher, and now just go back and refresh the feeds, and as can you see, they are just disabled. So that's how it looks. And if you want to turn it off again, just go by the same way to the general options and tap here on the discover switcher and just refresh the page, and as can you see, our Google Feeds are activated right now. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.